Igbo Progressive Union, Spain, in collaboration with the Igbo General Assembly, Spain, presents the Igbo National Convention 2015, Palma de Mallorca, Spain. The theme of this year's convention is Igbo Cultural Heritage Expo 2015. The chief guest of honor is Her Excellency Bianca Olivia Odinaka Odumegwu Ojukwu. Special guests of honor are the governors of Igbo states of Nigeria, His Excellency Willie Obiano, Anambra, His Excellency Rochas Okorocha, Imo, His Excellency Ifeanyi Ugwanyi, Enugu, His Excellency Okezie Ikpeazu, Abia, His Excellency Dave Umahi, Ebonyi, and His Excellency Ifeanyi Okowa, Delta. The keynote speaker for the occasion is the President Ohanaeze Ndigbo, Chief Gary Enwo Igariwe, and the guest speakers are Dr. Nwachukwu Anakwenze, President, Igbo World Assembly, and Chief Oliver Nwankwo, President, European Igbo Community. Some of the special invitees to this great occasion includes Francisca Lue Armengol, Governor, Islas Baleares, Spain. The Mayor of Palma de Mallorca, Jose Francisco Hilia Vargas, and the Igbo Association Spiritual Father, Reverend Father Alfredo Mirales Lozano. The venue for this grand Igbo event is Sestres Hermanes Sala, Sestra Palma Inca, Palma de Mallorca, Baleares, Spain. And the date is Saturday, 31st of October, 2015, from 1400 to 0200 hours. Join us in this great European Diaspora Igbo event. Let us join hands and plan a future together. Ka anyị gbakọ aka dozie Igbo ka ọ dị mma. Igbo